doing something super fun. We're gonna be doing the, what is it?
3 marker art challenge on pumpkins.
Woo! These pumpkins are really heavy. I think we just got them yesterday, so they're really fresh and good.
Yeah.
We are gonna be drawing the best thing we can with the pumpkins.
3 markers.
3. So let's choose. I'm gonna do black, obviously.
I'm gonna do purple,
Yeah, purple.
black, and gray.
And I'm gonna do black, red, and purple for the hat. It's gonna be a pumpkin hat.
Okay.
Hat.
So, I think I'm gonna use black for the eyes as triangle.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that too, but I'm gonna do square and triangle. Should I? This is a competition, so let's not give each other advice.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna draw an eye.
Wait, no. I think I'm gonna do a weirder mouth that looks a bit more creepy. I'm not even done with my triangle.
Here's mine so far.
Here's mine so far.
I'm gonna do a little bit of blood dripping down from the fangs. It'll be a cat
Can I
vampire.
use this because mine is that drawn out?
Like some sparkles.
Shaving cream, and then we could like go like ice cream.
Yeah, but I think that'll be a bit too messy. Yeah, I'm gonna use a different red because this one isn't really doing very well.
There is no other red.
What? Gonna do a little drop right here. All I'm doing right now is just coloring it in. This is what I've got. So
I'm drawing a hat. It's pretty cool, right? I'm gonna make this an evil witch.
that doesn't look like purple at all.
I know.
Looks like red.
So this is what I've done so far. If you can't really see, I'll move it towards you.
Hey, it actually is purple-ish.
Oh yeah. If only I could just color this. It'd be like a hat.
Very creative, Ambry.
Hula. Daisy, look at my pumpkin.
Oh, wow. Copycat.
Since I can't find my black, I'm just gonna use dark blue because it's close to black.
That's not 3 colors, that's 4.
Sorry, I can't find my
Whatever,
black.
we'll count it as black, it's fine. I'm almost done, I just gotta fill everything in.
I'm making a bunch of skulls on this side.
Beside
Guys,
them.
I don't care if you think these skulls are terrible, because I think they're
I've
terrible.
seen you do a
too.
skull before, Ambry. It wasn't very good. It's not good.
So one time we were making a boat, and I was in charge of the flag, and I didn't really know what boats looked like, and I was like a few months ago, and so I cut it into a triangle, which isn't really how they go, and then I drew a weird skull on it, like it had big poofy hair, and it was like it had a circle, and then a boom as the neck, and it was so weird. I already made a pumpkin that we got from Corn Bellies. Oh, if you don't know what Corn Bellies is, it's this really fun place with a few rides, and it has a bunch of these events.
Like the candy cannon.
Oh, and a candy cannon. Guys, look at my skulls so far. Do you like them?
Comment down below what you want us to do.
And comment below who you think won. We're gonna like list them up and show you up close.
Yeah. This is the winner. Wow.
Terrible.
Looks great, Ambry.
Yeah.
I'm doing like little eyes all around. Like an even more evil side of the pumpkin.
So I'm gonna show you the back side. Oopsies. Oh, my whole hat fell off. Oh no. Time for the great reveal. Okay, I'm done too.
See the souls coming out? It's like the soul of souls. This one's saying nothing. This one's saying help me. And on the back is its evil side, barfing out a soul.
Do you like this? And now the back
is dirty.
No, right here.
Guys, this was so much fun.
Yeah.
We hope you can try it too.
Yeah.
On camera or not, it's just really fun.
Yeah.
To compete. Now, who do you think won?
No, comment down